legit question, and welcome back to It Started with Sawdust. We have bought some brand new sets of BL1850B and 1820B and stumbled across the question, does more amp equals more power? We conduct a short demo with the Makita Impact XDT15 that's gonna tap some 8B 140 millwood screws. Both batteries are fully charged and we are ready to play in traffic. Pretty interesting. Let's sum up. In a battery-fed tool, the amps measure not just how much power the tool can deliver to the work, but how long the tool can hustle between charges. Amps measure both power and time, so eyeballing the amps alone makes that assumption a fallacy. The conclusion for today: higher amps is always better in terms of more energy, but that juice is not always actually delivered to the job at hand. For that, you need volts. Thank you for watching and see you next time with It Started with Sawdust.